The 2024 Porsche Macan EV is one of the most anticipated electric vehicles of the year. It will be the first all-electric SUV from Porsche, and it is expected to be a major competitor to the Tesla Model Y and other premium electric SUVs. The Macan EV will ride on Porsche's new PPE platform, which is being developed jointly with Audi. The PPE platform is designed for high-performance electric vehicles, and it will support a variety of battery sizes and powertrain configurations. The Macan EV is expected to have a range of over 300 miles on a single charge. It will also be capable of very fast charging, with the ability to add up to 100 miles of range in just a few minutes. In terms of performance, the Macan EV is expected to be one of the quickest electric SUVs on the market. It is rumored to have a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of under 3 seconds. The Macan EV will also be a very luxurious SUV, with a premium interior and a variety of advanced features. It is expected to start at around $80,000. The Macan EV is scheduled to be released in 2024. It will be produced at Porsche's factory in Leipzig, Germany.